Alright guys, I got the Buick LaCrosse here. Customer states the vehicle's overheating. After inspecting it, I'll show you what I first found out. Let me show you. There is no coolant in the reservoir, okay? That's an issue. The car will overheat. So with these V6 VVTs, you know, this is very common. So if you look closely right here, okay, everything looks fine, right? But watch this. Magic. Magic. I don't even know how this engine's still alive, because they brought it in running. But yeah, hopefully we can get that replaced and take care of the overheating problem. And just like that, we're all done. Got the new pipe installed. Brand new. So we're gonna put 1 hour diag / pressure test. Then 0.5 to replace coolant pipe.